Good morning. It's not actually morning, it's like 1:30.
Almost 2
But yeah, we're here at the gym. We're going to do some training, get ready for tomorrow with our shows. Well, I haven't really been doing much. I don't know about you. Shows? Anyway, we both need some training, so we're going to do that. Last night was really good. We basically went and visited like a few of the local fire performers. Not much sort of fire went on. I got to go through and do my my flamethrower, check it out. It's working a lot better, but still needs some more work. A big shout out to Youngway for helping us out with all of that. But yeah, really great night. Then we went back, had a couple of beers, and yeah, got up very early. And now we're at the gym. So a bit of gym, then we go get all our stuff, and then move to the next place where the festival's hosting us. And not really much today, so a bit of chill, a bit of relax. Alright, so you're probably wondering like what we do to keep fit, okay? Basically, when I'm performing all the time, like in festivals and stuff, that is my fitness. I don't really do much training, don't really need it. The job what I actually do in my shows, quite enough with agility and strength training with the props that I use. When I am off season, I do like to go to the gym. I don't go as much as what I probably should, but I do like to go. First of all, I actually just go to the gym and work out. I usually just start on my upper body, okay? I do a little bit of like more arm, this type of stuff. Just working on my shoulders. Now, I like to use very light weights, in my opinion, okay, you can prove me wrong. You use lighter weights, which actually doesn't isolate just certain muscles. You get to work like sort of your arm, like all the muscles around your arm, because whenever you're lifting heavy strength, the small ones give up, and it's just the big biceps and whatever which actually are working, that's it. So where you get your strength from is having all the little muscles working as well. So through that you can get you can do this through light weights. So yeah, I just go from top to bottom, light shoulders, down, do all my my pecs, my core, back, all my hips, do my legs, and then I hit the ball, basically. And yeah, so that's basically what I do. Maybe a little bit of a warm up with the bike first, depends on how I'm feeling. Yeah, that's my basic workout. So that's why we're here today. We went on that big hike yesterday, which helped. And yeah, just getting all the muscles all tight again, ready for those shows tomorrow. So here we go. Big workout today.
Into the heat of the night, yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come, you acted numb, don't deny, you are like a mountain.
Oh yeah, you're a crazy man.
Again,
You see like the muscle growing.
Make a big look at him, the monster swimming.
So workout is complete, swim is complete on this amazing view. Well, we're like 5 stories up.
overlooking this sort of thing. Our own little tropical island thing going on. But no, it's been a pretty cool day. It's a very relaxed day because it's going to get really hectic starting tomorrow. And with this humidity, I don't know how I'm going to go. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe, like down below. This really helps us. Because at the moment, I'm pretty much filming all this on my phone. So with your help, we can get more subscribers, which means we can get sponsorship. Then we can start buying better equipment. If you like what you see, please show your support. Keep enjoying the videos.